Morning guys, DJ Wiz NZ here for Experience the Journey. I am in the heart of Shenzhen. Actually, I'm near Dafan Oil Painting Village. I'm heading into the heart of the downtown CBD and I'm going to check out one of the biggest digital electronic markets in the world. It is called SEG Electronic Market. I need to go and grab some gadgets, do a few repairs, get some stuff for my vlogging and just check out this amazing market. I've heard a lot about it. I want to go and check it out and let's grab the subway there. I'm here in the heart of Shenzhen CBD. I am at the first Chinese electronic commercial street here in China. The whole street is full of electronics and apparently this market here, SEG Electronic Market, which is about 6, 7, 8 floors worth of digital gadgets, camera gear and stuff like that, is one of the world's biggest digital electronic markets. I need to upgrade some of my vlogging gear. I need to check out some of the gadgets and just have a little look around, see what I can get. I need some upgrades, so let's go inside and check it out. Lights. This floor is full of different colored lights. Look at that. So I'm now in this building where there's just gadgets after gadgets. Cell phones, speakers, games, headphones, copied phones, cloned phones, a whole bunch of different stuff all inside this massive complex here. Alright guys, so I am now in another massive building with camera gear, digital equipment, Canon, Sony, DJI Mavic gear. I mean, this whole street is full of gadgets. You need at least a month to check out every single shop here. I mean, they've got camera gear, they've got lenses. It's crazy, it's so crazy. Speakers, phones. So this floor is the audio floor, heaps of different brands like JBL, Onkyo, and it's pure audio. Speakers, home theater systems, DJ gear. Well, DJ speakers, I haven't seen any DJ decks yet, so I'm yet to see if they have any DJ decks. They've got mics. And speaker equipment. Interesting. I think I'm getting over looking at all the digital gear here in Shenzhen. I'm gonna go and get something to eat. There's a food court. Go try some Chinese goodness. It's just over there. And you need at least, as I said, a month to check out pretty much most of the street. It's just full of gadgets. Totally full of gadgets. You get lost. Alright, I'm in the food court now. Got a pretty cheap meal, it's a couple of dollars for some noodles and soup. and a bottle of water as well. So time to load up on the Chinese goodness. Alright, we are in the DJI shop. Drones, and these propellers are a lot more efficient. I've just brought a couple of sets, so looking forward to putting them on the Mavic. Alright guys, so I finished doing my digital shopping, done enough, got what I needed, and pretty happy. Prices were pretty reasonably cheap here in Shenzhen. I think if you do come to Shenzhen, you won't be disappointed. Just got a bargain, make sure you get a good deal from some of the sellers, and yeah, it's just starting to rain a little bit. I'm gonna head back to the accommodation. Tomorrow I'm going to have a look around Shenzhen and check out some of the vibes. I've got one called the Window to the World, some kind of window attraction. I'm going to go check that out, and yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys.